Primary packaging. Introduction. The first step of a packaging operation is called primary packaging. Here, the product is filled or placed in the container or packet that comes into direct contact with the product. The packaging of a pharmaceutical or biologics product must be carried out in a controlled area that prevents contamination from other products and packaging lines. Secondary packaging contains the primary packaging and the patient information leaflet. It also displays information about the product. Tertiary packaging usually consists of large cardboard boxes or crates used for the shipment of the product to its destination. The tertiary packaging contains numerous units of the product in its secondary packaging. Setting up for a packaging operation. The following procedures are normally followed before starting a primary packaging operation. Ensure that a sign is displayed in the packaging area before any material is brought in. The sign should show the following information: the batch number, expiration date, and name and strength of the product. Check that all equipment, such as filling equipment, weighing balances, check weigher, and sensors, have been calibrated and are within their calibration date. If applicable, set the correct batch number and expiration date on the printing or embossing equipment, such as the label printer. These must be double-checked to ensure they are correct. Check the balance with a standard known weight. The measured weight recorded on the balance must be the same as the standard weight.